Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 things that I hate about Tempurpedic. Full disclosure, I actually own a Tempurpedic. I'm not trying to scare you away from Tempurpedic. I actually love my Tempur. But here's the top 3 things that I hate the most about it. One, the price. They're pretty pricey, but I think it's okay when you're trying to put a price on your health and your sleep because that's pretty important to me. 2, how sensitive it is to temperature. It's great because it adapts to your body heat, but if your room is cold or hot in these winter or summer months, in the winter months it'll be hard as a rock and it'll take some time to get to adapt to your temperature. That's not very fun, but it's something that I'm used to and I kind of get over. And then lastly, kind of the stuck in the mud feeling. So if you ever have a memory foam, very slept on memory foam, Tempur-Pedic takes it to the next level as far as density. This is some of the best stuff in the world as far as memory foam goes. They actually don't even call it memory foam, it's Tempur material, and it gives you a real stuck in the mud feeling. So if you ever have to go from your stomach to your back or your side to your back, you're going to have this huge crevice of yourself and it's going to take a second because it's very responsive. But that's a good thing, and that's a great reasoning to why it's so expensive, because you have some of the best material in the industry. So those are my top 3 things I hate about Tempur-Pedic. Tune in next week and don't forget to like and subscribe.